everyone, it's Frances again from York County Library in South Carolina. I'm here to do another Lego tutorial. And today's Lego tutorial is for Dogman, the beloved character created by Dav Pilkey. So let's get started. So we're going to begin at the bottom with Dogman's feet. So here are two 2x3 brown brick, those are his shoes. And we have two 2x2 blue brick, which are going to go on top of the shoe like so. And there we have his feet. Next, we have a 2x4 blue brick, which is going to go on top like so. And then we put that there, and we have a 1x2 that we're going to put right there. So now you have his legs. All right. Next, a 2x2 blue brick is going to go on the end like that. Then a 2x2 yellow brick on top like that. Then a 1x2 blue brick and a 2x4 blue brick. So there you have. Next row, a 2x3 blue brick goes like so, and then a 2x4 blue brick like so, then a 2x2 blue brick and a 2x yellow brick. All right, so next row we have a 2x4 blue brick, a 2x3 blue brick, and a 1x2 blue brick. All right, next row we have 2x4 yellow brick and a 2x4 yellow brick. So this is where we are now. All right, the next row is a 1x2 yellow brick, a 1x2 black brick, and a 2x6 black plate. So there we are. Now, the next row is a 2x4 yellow plate and a 2x3 yellow plate. The next row is a 2x3 yellow plate and a 2x4 yellow plate. All right, the next row is a 2x6 yellow plate, which goes on top like that. And then we have a, let's see, and we have a 2x3 yellow brick and a 1x2 yellow brick and a 2x3 yellow brick. Then over here we've got a 2x2 yellow brick and a 2x2 yellow brick, and then a 2x2 slope. Had to stop and think what it was. Okay. Now, oh, and next row is a 2x2 black brick. There's Dogman's nose. Then we have a 2x4 yellow plate that goes right there. So now, next row is another 2x2 yellow brick a 1x2 black brick, a 1x2 yellow brick, a 1x2 black brick, and a 1x2 yellow brick. Starting to look a little bit like Dogman, isn't he? Okay, then we've got a 1x2 yellow, a 1x2 black, another 1x2 yellow, and another 1x2 black. Then we're going to take another 2x6 yellow plate. That goes up there. Whoops, oh, I broke his nose off. There. Okay. Now we have a 2x2 yellow brick, 2x2 yellow slope, and a 2x2 yellow brick. Now we've got a 2x4 plate, and then I didn't have another 2x4 plate, so I have a 2x2 and a 2x2. So now we're going to put on Dogman's cap. So a 2x6 blue plate. Oops. It's supposed to go right on top like that. Okay, then a 1x2 blue, 2x2 yellow, another 1x2 blue, and last but not least, a 2x4 blue brick. And there is your Lego Dogman. Good job, everyone. See you soon with another Lego tutorial.